To get money off your plasma card, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a plasma card and a valid identification document, as these are typically required to access your funds. Next, locate an ATM or a bank branch that accepts your plasma card. You can usually find this information on the back of your card or by contacting the issuing company. Once you have found a compatible ATM or bank, insert your card and enter your personal identification number. Select the withdrawal option from the menu and choose the account you want to withdraw from, such as checking or savings. Then, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, making sure not to exceed your available balance or the daily withdrawal limit. Confirm the transaction and wait for the ATM to dispense your cash. If you are using a bank branch, let the teller know you want to withdraw cash from your plasma card and provide your card and identification. They will guide you through the process and provide you with your cash. It is essential to keep track of your transactions and monitor your account balance to avoid any potential issues. You can usually do this online or through a mobile app. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with withdrawing money from your plasma card, such as ATM fees or foreign transaction fees. By following these steps and being mindful of your account activity, you can easily get money off your plasma card. Always prioritize security and keep your card and personal information safe to avoid any potential risks. Finally, remember to take your card and receipt when you finish your transaction, and dispose of the receipt securely to prevent identity theft. By understanding how to withdraw money from your plasma card, you can enjoy convenient access to your funds whenever you need them.